Hello kittens, it's time to get spooky! For this tutorial I have recreated one of Colin Christians' masterpieces on my face, and surprisingly it's not as hard as it looks. So let's dive right in and get started. I'm going to take NYX Cocoa Lip Liner, but any nude tone lip liner will do, and begin blocking out an upside down cross on my face. I'm using a plastic covering from one of my palettes to help give me the straightest lines possible. With the first segment done, I'm going to place the plastic across my mouth and slightly under my nose to continue my guidelines. Now that that's all squared away, go ahead and wipe away the extra lines near the mouth. I'm going to start off with using the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. I'm going to go ahead and prep my eyes with concealer like I normally do with LA Girls Pro Conceal. Taking the shade Naked and the Morphe M441 brush, apply the color to the crease and blend upwards towards the brow and out using windshield wiper motions.
The dead will walk here.
Next, take the shade Rowdy and the Morphe M513 brush and place the color in the crease. Round it out in the outer V using circular motions. Apply the shade Liquor to the lid. This doesn't have to be perfect, this is just the base color for the glitter. I'll be using a regular glitter and 2 chunky glitters so there's more dimension to the eyes. I recommend applying glitter with lash glue, especially chunky glitter, if you don't want it creasing or getting everywhere. So I didn't realize I was out of the shot, but all I did was mix all 3 glitters in equal parts, apply the lash glue to my lid, and then apply the glitter on top. Taking the same lip liner from earlier, I'm going to draw out where I want my nose to be. Then I draw a line extending from the corners of my mouth and start adding teeth. Using NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean, I'm going to tightline my waterline and then smudge out the color with the Morphe M578 brush. Use the shade Liquor to smoke out the eyeliner and blend out the outer V. I'm now going to use the iMagic palette, which is the perfect Makeup Forever Flash palette dupe. Using the iMagic Flash Color palette, begin filling in the cross down the middle with white, but leave the edges blank. Blend out any brush strokes using a slightly damp beauty blender. Begin outlining the cross with black and a precision eyeliner brush. When done, fill in the sides with black but leave a space. The edges you left blank earlier, fill them in with black and a small amount of red. Fill in the sides with red. This will help give the look more depth and help with the illusion that your skull is showing through. Here I begin using 3 brushes. One brush has red, the other black, and a clean brush to assist with the blending process so the colors don't start getting muddy. I pull the red towards the center using only leftover product from the brush, and diffuse it towards the center on my forehead as well. I'm using a combination of circular and scratchy motions to blend. Add a small amount of red and blend along the sides of your nose. This will help make the nose look like it's protruding out of your face. Using white and a lip brush, fill in the teeth. When done, outline with a black face paint or a good liquid eyeliner. Using red mixed with a small amount of black, take a small blending brush and stipple the color around the teeth and the forehead. I'm now taking red and painting in where my nostrils would be. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my nostril with black and blend it with the red. I blended a little too much, so I'm just adding a little bit more red. Using liquor, I'm going to go ahead and shade in the area between my eyes. This helps the skull look more sunken in. Using white, I'm going to highlight around my nose. And then bring the white down the middle to create the two separate nasal cavities. I'm going to highlight around the perimeter of the cross with white just to really give this look more depth. Using a combination of dots and dashes like Morse code. With black and a precision brush, I'm going to begin drawing in random cracks. You can do as many or as little cracks as you want, it's all up to you and your imagination. I'm going to add a little bit of red to them just to add to that gory effect. And then highlight with white. And then real quick here, I'm going to add some cracks to the teeth and shade them in. Now wrapping it up, I'm going to use Karity Blush Balm for my blush. Applying it under my eye and across my cheekbones to give me a really flushed look. Then I'm going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbones with Ava Beauty's S-Glow Ultraviolet. Once I'm done applying, I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig and my Sclera lenses and the look will be finished. So my eyes got a little watery when putting in my Sclera lenses and the eyeliner ran, but you know what, that's okay. It gives it a little character. Well, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also if you're not following me on IG, please do so if you're not already at O'Malley. Bye!